Very good morning, all of you. Respected, most honorable Vice Chancellor, Bharatiya University, Dr. G. James Pichai, Vice Chancellor, Hindustan University, Dr. S. Ramachandran, and Vice Chancellor, Vinayaka Mission Sikkim University, Dr. Kalyan Kumar sir, and other dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, parents and students, and faculty of IIL. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the graduating students. After a grilling number of years, at last you got the degree awarded. It's a real achievement, and congratulations to all of you. I would like to throw a little light about certain things relating to the university from where you are graduating from. This Bharatiya University was established in the year 1982, and since then it has been achieving laurels, and especially for the last 2 years and 3 months, we could see a substantial change in the functioning of our university. And also, I remember a day when one person who was passing through our university made a comment. I thought I am in Mysore and passing through Brindavan Gardens. And we are lucky to have a soil scientist as our Vice Chancellor now, who has really turned around the ambience in the university from what it was to what it is now. Sir, thank you very much for that. And university has got the credit for having the highest funding in South India from the University Grants Commission for development of the research and development work. And it has been accredited as the only university who is contributing to the defense of our country through its association and research activities through DRDO. And that is the advantage of having a scientist as a Vice Chancellor, because he understands research in a better manner than anybody else. And our Bharatiya University has been ranked 29th in the country in terms of quality of higher education, and first in Tamil Nadu, and maximum number of students enrolled and also passed out. The 2 years development has been so remarkable that our current Vice Chancellor organized a meet where the entire group of the previous Vice Chancellor, all the 8 Vice Chancellors were assembled there. It was a unique occasion. In no university we could find all the previous Vice Chancellor being assembled for the University Day. So thank you very much for having shown the strength of our university from its inception to what it is today. Coming to this Indian Institute of Logistics, I should congratulate your captain, the IIL ship captain, Captain Pushpakumar. Normally I hear only one captain in a ship, if I am right, but this ship has got many captains, one chief captain and other captains, I think. We had almost 3.5 to 4 months time discussing about how to collaborate between the university and the institute. Then he made a statement like, I wanted to make IIL as, like the earlier speaker was telling about IIMs, IITs, etc. He wanted to have a niche segment in logistics with the brand IIL, Indian Institute of Logistics. In fact, I also told him, commercially or economically, it may not be viable to have only one course. why don't you call it as IILM, Indian Institute of Logistics and Management, and take up other courses also, so that it will enhance your kitty. But he refused and said, no sir, we would like to focus only on the logistics industry only. I am not interested in anything else. Now I understand the reason for it. And the syllabi for logistics, though we had 8 more other institutions offering the similar courses, with the blessings of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, the entire syllabus was reframed to suit the industry needs as per the suggestions given by the IIL team. And thank you very much for IIL team for having enhanced the syllabus relating to logistics business. And because of that, the syllabus has been now accredited as the best to suit the industry in the entire country. So IIL has been helping the university in many ways, starting from syllabi formation to other things, because they are experts in logistics. And also, you are aware that logistics industry is picking up very well globally, and you are all blessed to be in India because it is not still that much developed as per the feedback given by the Captain Pushpa Kumar. And you have a larger responsibility of developing it so that it takes a better shape. This institute, I should make a statement because our Vice Chancellor has given that responsibility of making these statements to me. Thank you, sir, for that. IIL has been ranked in the top 3 among 650 institutes accredited with Bharathiar University. In logistics, they are number 1. And thanks to the IIL team, because I find they are quite different and enthusiastic when it comes to student-centric thing. And one more uniqueness of our Vice Chancellor is, whenever we go to meet him, normally it takes 2 to 3 hours to get his appointment and meet him in his chamber. Even the big dignitaries and institute owners, college owners, so many people come and sit there. But he has got the uniqueness, if there is any student, even without an appointment, he enters his PA's office, the students will be given priority to than anybody else. That is a kind of student-centric activity and rationale that he has got. I have never seen him going in the car inside the campus. He always stops the car in the entrance and he walks down to his office interacting with the students only. I think it will take more than 1 hour for him to reach 300 meters. So the number of interactions that he makes with the students make them at home. So you are all blessed to be the students of Bharathiar University through the arm called IIL, Indian Institute of Logistics. And I really, our Vice Chancellor also told many times, he envied Bharathiar University students, and he also felt many times that he is not an alumni of Bharathiar University. Unfortunately, he is a soil scientist and with 3 PhDs. If I start talking about him, it will take 1 day, which I think Pushpa Kumar and you will not allow me to talk like that. So let me again congratulate all the students and parents for having got this degree and wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you.